sunglass. Will you think of buying it, or will anyone think of buying it? No. But there are 25,000 suppliers on Amazon for wooden frame glasses. If there are 25,000 sellers, then there will be minimum 8 lakh to 10 lakh buyers of it. So that is the reason. That is how it comes. That is how analysis comes. Ki how many people are interested for that project or product? How many age group people are interested in that project? And plus we do a saturation for different age limits, different class levels also. Mostly, if we are upper middle class city, 90% Puneri people are upper middle class city. So what happens is, fashion is easily driven in Pune as compared to any other city in India. Like Bangalore and Pune, fashion is easily driven because 90% of our population is upper middle class population, or they are from a well-to-do family. So that is the analytics. So if a company from Delhi wants to sell any sort of fashion brand, they should fashion in Bangalore and Pune. That is the analytics to produce it. Okay, why is it necessary for you? So that it will be better you enter market easily. Next we have display advertising, that is contextual advertising and behavioral targeting. Now what happens in behavioral targeting is, I know Mr. Prasad Ganguly, CEO and founder of Karuna Productions. If I send him a mail, he can check a mail or he can't check my mail. Both things can happen. One thing, the mail, 90% chances are there he can check because he is a person who has struggled a lot and he has came up, so he can check my mail. But is there any point of people like Prasad, those who I don't know, sending a mail, even if, but what we are planning for new mailers, that will work out. Because people will not be interested in watching the text or something. They will be interested in seeing something. They will be interested in some sort of small video or some sort of small thing. So that will be happening in the behavioral targeting. That is, each and every person, each and every high professional, even if we know them or we don't know them, we target and we send them emails regarding our products, regarding our offerings for them. And same goes with the contextual advertising. Next. Then it comes to the affiliate marketing, that is cost per action, revenue sharing. That will come in next lecture spot. Next. Mobile advertising and next. Android apps. I want to go with the next page. Folder. Yes. This is the main part. What are we going with today? That is, we are having different types of processes with us. When it comes to application, असं होत नाही की आपण clients कडे जातो, they come back and they give us a minimum requirements and we start working on it blindly. असं नाही होत. What last lecture we got was a basic process of doing any sort of business, but this process is for any sort of software company.
कसं आहे पुढे
Page down. Next. Then next comes what we did with GAV, CPM and few earlier projects was build the first version, modify until client is satisfied, and third comes maintenance phase, and then the retirement of the project. But how many projects since start of this year we have reached to retirement? Not even a single project. Why this happened was we are only involved in this. Every 1 month duration went away, every 2 months duration went away. What happened is client came up with new idea and we started working on it blindly. But regardless, we should have a software process. Because if you are paying us, 1 month period will work for you. After 1 month per day you will be charged. Our design costing, our development costing will be a one-time costing for you. So this is the basic process what we used to work, and still there are many more companies who are working on this sort of process, but we will not working furthermore with this process. Next step we will do. The earlier model, I guess you might be knowing it. There comes with waterfall model. Normally आपण कुठेही फिरायला गेलो, we have seen waterfall many different places. We have seen at many different places. So what happens with the waterfall model is, it was still only 1980s. What happened? Requirements phase. Advance, business, everything left away. First, he is my client. Venkatesh is my client. I went to him. Sir, what are your requirements? Give me requirements. I started with the specification piece. The requirements मला randomly मिळतात. What all things you want to do. It is especially for you and both of you. ठीक आहे? Because this is only what you will be concentrating. So ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी जेव्हा मी requirements घेऊन आलो, I need to chalk it down in a different specification. Okay, this model will work accordingly. This model will work accordingly. But if I'm having some doubts in specification, I'll once again go to my client and verify the requirements. That will be only one time process. Then it also comes back to specification phase. Even if specification phase, I'm not through it completely, but still I go to my design phase. And if I have some doubt, once again I'll be going in the verifying phase for only one step. Each. Okay. Then next, when it comes to the implementation phase, I have some doubts. Once again I go with the verification of design phase. There are some designs remaining or not, and if it is not remaining, then I complete this process over here and start with implementation phase. After implementation comes the integration phase. All this process is an iterative cycle, you can say. Why? Reason being, every steps require a verification from the client. If client has not verified the fact, then they are not going to support us. He is not satisfied. He is not a satisfied client. So we have to change those steps. We have to verify again and again until he says, "Was okay, fine, you now continue with anything." But it should be our basic procedure. Then it comes to the maintenance phase and then the retirement of the project. But what happens is, even if we are in maintenance phase, sometimes don't know. There are different companies. What happens with the companies is, even every 3 months, company can change like anything. 3 months back, what was TapSoft? No one knows. 1 year back, 3 years back, what was Ramanava? No one knew. So these things happened. Things changed. 2 years Ramanava was now it has came up with application and everything. TapSoft came up with cloud computing and everything. Right? So 3 months down the line, no one knows what it will be TapSoft. So even if company changes, but the basic processes will remain the same. So what will happen with the basic processes? Then the requiring minimum maintenance phase मध्ये त्यांना थोडाफार changes लागते त्यांच्या applications मध्ये त्यांच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये. So what we'll do then the change requirements. Then we'll again repeating the process only for their changes and we'll coming down to maintenance process and settling over. Unless and until our clients face extra work, but it is inside the part. Okay. Then finally we'll go to the retirement of that project completely.
This is a very time-consuming method.
No, it is a basic process.
But
Which one?
every step will take more time.
It will take minimum 1 day.
No, but if we spend that much of time now,
Yes.
further it will save our
Further it
time.
will save your time.
Yeah.
Reason being, JVC started with website. Orgamo started with website, and they were the projects of June. We had to finish it within 20 days. Right now we are through 3 months. We are not finished with the projects. From our side it is completed, dead end. From their side, payments, requirements, further things are still coming. These are the things happening. So it is always better to spend 1 month rather than 3 months struggling like this. Then it comes to the advantage of the waterfall model. Enforces discipline approach. What happens is we get the process running through ourselves. It was, yes, these are all the 4-5 things what we should do every day. Reason being, if we do follow these processes, then we are gonna complete more projects. Then we are gonna do more amount of projects rather than only doing one project for a single year. Right? Next comes with the documentation for each phase that we'll be having. Products of each phase checked by software quality assurance group. Software quality assurance group, everyone will be in this group, everyone will certify a product. They will test it. When we launch an application or when we launch our own game or when we launch a website, we test it 100 times. Where are the loopholes? This is not working properly. Okay, fine. Once more send it to Srikanth, once more send it to Mayur to get back all the things done. These all things happen. We test it thoroughly and then only we pass to give people, sir, now our website is ready on our demo server, just check it. If any sort of corrections is remaining from your side. Okay? Then it comes maintenance is easier. Every change reflected in the relevant documentation comes with the maintenance. Disadvantage. Working version of the software will not be available until the late in the project time span. Specifications are long, detailed, written in a style of unfamiliar to the client. And then comes with the blocking states. Some project team members must wait for the another team members to complete dependent tasks. Like most of the time I have to depend on you, my darling.